Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances, colored pills. Morning sex under the tree. All in all, it was my fault. Don't you see I'm feeling blue? But he believes in oil and gold, while I believe in you. I don't mind if you don't love me.
Global version Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro 6GB 64GB mobile phone 64MP quad camera MTK Helio G90T octa-core smartphone 4500 mAh NFC. Brand name, Xiaomi. Xiaomi model, Redmi Note 8 Pro 6GB 64GB. Battery type, not detachable. Rear camera quantity, 4. Design, bar. ROM, 64GB. Standby time, other. Front camera quantity, 1. Fast charging, quick charge 3.0. Fast charging, USB PD. Biometrics technology, fingerprint recognition. Optical zoom, no. Rear camera pixel, approximately equals 64 MP. Item condition, new. Operation system, Android. SIM card quantity, 2 SIM card. Display resolution, 2340 by 1080. Charging interface type, Type-C. Phone type, smartphones. Features, Game Turbo GPU Turbo. Features, Gorilla Glass. Features, Liquid Cool. Features, Bluetooth 5.0. Display size, 6.5. Front camera pixel, 20 MP. 3.5mm headphone port, yes. Wireless charging, no. Screen type, water drop screen. Touch screen type, capacitive screen. Language, English. Language, Russian. Language, German. Language, French. Language, Spanish. Language, Polish. Language, Portuguese. Language, Italian. Language, Turkish. Language, Norwegian. Language, Korean. Language, Japanese. Language, Arabic. Battery capacity, mAh, 4500. CPU core quantity, octa-core. Cellular, GSM. Cellular, WCDMA. Cellular, LTE. Screen material, LCD. Display proportions, 19.5:9. NFC, yes. Release date, 2019. Main rear camera sensor, Samsung ISOCELL Bright GW1. CPU model, MTK. MTK model, Helio G90T. RAM, 6GB. Unlock phones, yes. 2G, GSM, B2, B3, B5, B8. 3G, WCDMA B1, B2, B4, B5, B8. 4G LTE FDD, LTE FDD B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B7, B8, B20, B28. 4G LTE TDD, LTE TDD, B38, B40. Network, Nano SIM Plus Nano SIM, Micro SD3 Choose 2 Hybrid SIM Tray. Fast Charge, 18W Fast Charge. Body material, 4-sided 3D curved back. GPU, ARM Mali G76MC4. Feature 1, Wi-Fi X antenna. Feature 2, Low Blue Light TUV Rhineland certified screen. Feature 3, supports Google Pay. Feature 4, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, OTG, NFC. Quality, superior quality. OS, MIUI 10. Model, Redmi Note 8 Pro Global version. Price, $201.56. Check description for buying link. Thanks for watching.